morning, what's going on, Mooch Lifers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Camaro in the driveway and we bought the cheapest foam cannon on Amazon. Does it work? Is it worth it? Stay tuned, find out right here on
Bring me back to where we started.
From the brand Scuttles. In the box here, we'll go over everything, let you see what we're dealing with. And we're also going to need the old Troy built pressure washer with the Briggs & Stratton motor. It's 190cc and it's 2800 max PSI. We got a reservoir bottle with a little siphon tube. They gave us like 3 to 5 microfiber towels, a sponge, the nozzle, all the different nozzle heads for different pressures, some brass fittings with O-rings in them, and the gun. I'm gonna try, I already have, this gun with the long handle, typical standard stuff there. I'm gonna see if I can connect this up to that so I can have the long, but if not, we'll just use this. No big deal. The soap we're using today is the Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. It's my favorite soap. It actually matches the color of the car. Pretty darn close. Oh yeah. Sexy, sexy. Look at that green goo of awesomeness. These cannons use a lot more soap than when you do your bucket method, but that's also how you get more bubbles. So that's about 150 mLs of soap, and I'm going to fill it all the way up to 1,000 with warm water, and then we'll go from there. So our nozzle did fit right through the quick connect here on the existing long-handled version. So maybe that's one of the reasons why it's cheaper, is that they don't give you a long extension handle to go with it. I don't know, but we'll just take the quick connect back off, screw this on. So I did 150 of soap and then up to near the top to 1,000 with water. And there we go, guys, check it out. We are ready to party. GoPro's on the head, the bald head. We are attached, ready to rock and roll. We're filming. The car's filthy. We got the foam cannon. Let's rock and roll. Well, as you can see, that wasn't going too well, but I figured out why. Remember this little guy, the suction tube? Yeah, that wasn't attached, wasn't in the bottle. Oh my gosh. settings because I never used one of these before, but we're getting it. There's the soap. Probably should have used a little bit more soap. I got the settings right, I believe. It's real soapy now. As you can tell, she is looking awesome. I'm really excited because it's been actually the first time this year that I cleaned the car by hand. I went through the car wash a few times, but it felt good to just get in the driveway on this gorgeous June day, even though we're in the midst of coronavirus. Get some things done in the driveway, it feels good. Anyways, the foam cannon, what do I think of it? As far as the build quality goes, the can itself, I'm squeezing hard, it doesn't squeeze, so it's sturdy, hard, thick plastic. And you can check out the nozzles here, all the fittings. I mean, it's a typical foam cannon. And yeah, I forgot to put the little siphon tube in the bottle at the beginning of the video, which made it look like this thing was a piece of junk, but it's not. It works well, good soap. It doesn't stay in the car as long as I thought it would, which I don't know if that's because I didn't put enough soap in here. I'll have to experiment next time. But nonetheless, it's a pretty cool product. Did its job. Got the car all cleaned up. So if you guys are interested in buying a foam cannon, you can get one cheap on Amazon. I'll put the link to this one. It's Scuttles USA foam cannon. It comes with a nice little mitt, so I got a backup mitt now. I didn't use this one today. It came with 5 microfiber cloth towels. Grab one of those. It came with 5 of these microfiber towels. Sorry, the lawnmower's going at my neighbor's house. They're soft. The edges have some thick weave going on there, so that's a little bit rough, but the middle looks good. And what else did it come with? Extra, all these pressure nozzles, which it's funny because on my pressure washer right there, I was actually missing my soap one, my like no pressure soap thing, so it was nice to get those. And then the extra gun, which is pretty cool. It's got like a spring trigger and then a little lever here that you can lock right there, and then just lift up and flip down and goes away. So I don't need this, you know, I don't need these. And it also came with an extra little brass fitting there. Don't need that either, but it's nice to have some spare parts. And you know, I give it a thumbs up. I think it's a good product, so if you guys want to check out a foam cannon, I think it's worth it. The dirt came off my car pretty darn easy after I sprayed it on there. It was an easier car wash with the mitt after the foam cannon than it was before. So do I recommend foam cannons? Me being a first time user of one, yes I do. So go pick you up one. Build quality is good on this. I think it was only like 30 bucks. I'll put the link in the description of my video down below for the Amazon link. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy the Camaro. Thanks for watching this video, and peace out. Good old. Whoops. Come on, come on, come on. All right, let's put this thing together and get soapy. Get soapy. Party, party. Now we should be ready to rock and roll. Let's try this again. Take 2.
Bring me back to where we started.